Have you ever found yourself confused about when to use raise not implemented error in your code? It can be a bit tricky, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the purpose of this statement and how it relates to abstract classes. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when you're trying to implement a class, but you're not sure how to signal that certain methods still need to be defined. You're not alone in this confusion. Many developers face the same question. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is it to remind yourself and your team to implement the class correctly? This is a great question and really gets to the heart of using abstract classes in Python. So what does raise not implemented error actually do? This statement is a way to indicate that a method is intended to be overridden in a subclass. It serves as a reminder that the method needs to be implemented, ensuring that the base class cannot be instantiated directly. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to effectively use abstract classes in your projects. To understand when to use raise not implemented error, the user should first recognize that this is a way to define an abstract class. An abstract class serves as a blueprint for other classes. In the provided example, the user sees a class named rectangular room. The constructor and methods are defined, but they raise not implemented error. This indicates that these methods must be implemented in subclasses. The user should note that raising not implemented error is a reminder for developers. It signals that the functionality is expected to be implemented later, ensuring that the class cannot be instantiated directly. Finally, the user can implement subclasses that inherit from rectangular room. These subclasses will provide concrete implementations for the methods defined in the abstract class. Fun fact, did you know that the concept of abstract classes dates back to the early days of object-oriented programming? They help us design better software by enforcing structure and consistency. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user suggests using the property decorator to indicate that a method needs to be implemented. By raising a not implemented error within the property, it clearly signals that the functionality is pending. Here's the tip I promised. When designing your classes, always think about which methods should be abstract. This will save you and your team a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. Now you know when to use raise not implemented error and how it can help you in your coding projects. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more coding tips and tricks.